Hey guys, I'm John with Go Fast Campers, and today I'm going to walk you around on how to prep your 4Runner for an install. When you come to our facility to get your RTT installed, there's a few things that you need to do beforehand to get the vehicle prepped. Number one is antenna delete. We will send you an antenna delete kit, and you can do this yourselves. It's very easy. We have a video out on how to do that. If you're not comfortable doing something like this, you can also go to the Toyota dealership or any kind of auto body parts store, and they can probably help you out. All right guys, once you got your antenna delete on, the next step in this is to remove your factory roof rack, whether that's the Trd Pro rack or just the standard rack that the 4Runners come with. You're gonna have to remove that. You're also going to have to retain the factory bolts that go into these two holes. So once you take your factory roof rack off, there's gonna be 2 bolts per rack or per side. Make sure you take those, you thread them back into the clip underneath, and you drive here with those in. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna wanna make sure you retain these white clips. These white clips are crucial to the installation process, the RTT. They can be finicky sometimes. If you bump those the wrong way, they will drop into your headliner, and the only way to get them out is to remove the whole headliner, drop the whole thing down, and fish those clips out. So be very careful when doing that process. What we have here, we have a Trd Pro Roof Rack. I wanted to explain the difference between the actual factory bolts. So in the Trd Pro Roof Rack, they come with these style bolts right here. Important note on these is these will not work with our 4Runner. You need to go and purchase the factory bolts that go on the standard roof rack, and we're gonna link the part number below so you can order those easily. So again, if you have these with the Torx bit, they're gonna be the wrong size. You need to go and purchase the correct size from Toyota. All right, another thing, if you're not comfortable removing your factory roof rack, if you go to your Toyota dealership, they can definitely do that for you. Just let them know that you need to maintain those factory bolts. Once the factory bolts are threaded back in here, if you throw a piece of tape over here, a few layers, you can do some electrical tape and then some painter's tape over the top. That just keeps it waterproof for the drive up here. All right guys, that should do it on how to prep your 4Runner for an install. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach us at support@gfcengineering.com.